several abbreviations for you. Again, this video was requested by Vrapce. Before I start, if you do need an interpreter, Italian, Bulgarian, Russian, and Macedonian, you can write me on my email, which is on the description box below. I'm gonna be more than happy to help you. So please like, share, subscribe, write a comment, tell me if there is any kind of video you like me to create for you. Okay, so I am gonna give you a few general words abbreviation in this video. Words that we kind of use a lot or every day, and it's useful to know the abbreviation. Number one is people. Sometimes I like P and A, and I know it's people, but this is the most common abbreviation you can find about that one. The next one is RE, Robert Edward, regarding. We all talk regarding something. Okay, this is how to abbreviate the before, be in number 4, or I use the line to put something, or it also can mean go back or do something before something, right? Next one, B and C, or these 3 dots. 3 dots is something that they use quite a lot. For me, that takes time, which means because. I normally write just B sometimes, and I know it's because. I use the arrows, up arrow with positive sign. It always means increase, grow up, more, give more medicine, get, doing something upwards or more. And the opposite sign is arrow down with negative. It means decrease, go down, diminish, less medicine, do less something, eat less of something, just less. CP or CW, compare to or compare with. We compare a lot. To compare to yesterday, did you feel better? Compare to 3 hours before. Compare. We all compare all the time. IRT, it's in relation to. In relation to this or in relation to that problem. You can find out quite a lot in medicine. Gov is another one. We're government organization, health, Medicare, Medicaid, government, no-profit, limited income. We talk about government quite a lot. Gov is the most classical. I write a G sometimes, and that's it. I know it's government. Okay, IMP for important. I normally use this sign for attention sign. I know it's something important. This is something I do. But if you want to abbreviate important, that's how you can do it. And if we talk about the amounts, there is a lot talking about different kind of amounts. AMT, I know it's a weird, but this is the classical abbreviation of the amounts. Okay guys, I give you those abbreviations. I hope this video was useful. Please share, like, subscribe, made a comment. I am actually planning to make a small book with abbreviations, so I'm going to keep you updated with that. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day despite the home isolation. I hope you study, you read, you stay tuned, you stay positive, you smile, and that's the most important thing, to be positive. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.